Bro, let's be real. You suck at talking to girls because nobody taught you the right way. But what if I told you the problem isn't your looks, your vibe, or even your riz? It's this. You haven't humanized her. And until you do, you'll keep choking when it matters most. Stick around. I'll show you how to flip the script in 90 seconds flat. 90 seconds. That's all it takes to make her want to keep talking to you. Not by memorizing pickup lines, not by pretending to be someone else, but by doing this one thing most guys never do. Humanize her. Sounds simple? That's because it is. But 99% of guys fail here. Without this, you'll stay stuck in your head. She'll smell the desperation. You'll fumble, she'll walk away, and you'll tell yourself, maybe next time. But next time never comes. Worst part? You'll keep putting her on a pedestal, while she sees you as just another nervous guy. Here's the truth, bro. She's just a person. She farts, she stresses about her hair, she probably cried over a TikTok last night. But bro, how do I act like she's normal when my hands sweat like I'm defusing a bomb? 2 steps. 1. Get off the hub. Yes, seriously, it warps your brain. 2. Talk to her like she's your sister's friend. No agenda, just curiosity. But what if I freeze up? Try this tomorrow. Walk into any store, ask a girl for help picking something. For your mom. Why? The pressure's on her to perform. You're just the chill guy getting gifts. Watch her body language change when you aren't nervous. What if she rejects me? Then you're one step closer to immunity. I've done this 10 plus times. First time my face turned tomato red. By the 10th, I didn't even blink. Humanizing her isn't about her, it's about freeing you. So you can finally talk to girls without feeling like you're losing something. Your homework? Today, talk to one girl. Zero agenda. Just remind yourself, she's human, you're human, and 90 seconds is all it takes to prove it. Drop a LFG in the comments when you do. Catch you in the next one.